My fancy if you dey take alcohol, make you know the one wey you need to take and the one wey you no need to take. Make the thing no go kpai you. Make the thing no go cause liver issue for your body. Make the thing no go cause some kind health challenge for your body wey you no know because say they no tell you the right information. My name na Instructor Alison. I dey teach math and science in pidgin English, the language wey go make you understand this thing better. Oya now, alcohol now one of the functional group under organic chemistry. So now, but then how to name alcohol na be problem wey students dey get. Now I come to come teach now. Now the first example we get here, we get only one carbon. You get wetin we dey call maybe kind of acronym also wey I wan use, wey they call monkey eat. My write am down. Monkey, you know monkey now. Eat peanut butter. So this monkey eat peanut butter. Now wetin dey make me carry remember say M first letter, E second letter, P third letter, B fourth letter. M na for met, E na for earth, P na for pentane now, or maybe propane, probe. Man, no go call another one. Probe. Then B na for boot. Hey, these things now we go use. This met now when you get one carbon. Earth now when you get two carbons. Probe now when you get up to 3 carbons. Boot when you get 4 carbons. It follow like that they go. Pent day, hex day, hept day, just like that they go. You understand? So now, as I see first carbon now, only one carbon, I go use this met. As I see 2, I go use this earth. But how I want to combine now with this one? Just know say anytime they talk about alcohol functional group, you get what you call suffix. Suffix for root words. You get what you call. I'll show you something quickly. I'll show you something. If I get root word wey be I think of something where we say you go dey quick, make you remember. Make I use visit. Visit. This visit now root word. You know what you mean now? Maybe you come visit me. Now, if maybe I decide to add something before this visit, this thing where I want add, all those things, if it no make sense. But if you think of another example, it will make sense. But this one just come my head. If you add something like maybe on visit, if you know make sense. So this on we add to RAM. Now what they call prefix for English. Think of free stuff for where we use do the example. Me, I don't use the need to enter my head. So on visit. Now, if I just add ly, if it be something else on visitly, you know, say this no just make sense. This ly what add to RAM. Now be waiting they call suffix. So that suffix now that particular word will add to the ending of the root word, the last part of the root word, not the beginning. The beginning are prefix ahead. So for this particular alcohol, it gets its own suffix when they call anol. Anytime one name alcoholic or alcohol functional group, you must add anol to the root word. For example, now for this one, I get first only one carbon. I know one carbon na met. If this carbon being surrounded with 4 hydrogen, if we just call it methane. So this N we add now from the alkane family. Alkane, you see alkane carry ANE for the last now. So all of the members of the alkane family will get just hydrogen atoms, no other functional group attached. You will just know say now from alkane, that one methane. If now 2 carbon like this one now, it will be ethane. You understand? But this one now OH now functional group where they call alcohol. So immediately carry ICO, just to say this one alcohol, this one alcohol. But what is the name of this particular alcohol? Now what I want to teach you now. Since you see only one carbon will be met, and because now alcohol functional group, you get this particular suffix attached to this one will be anol. Now you can make this name come be waiting methanol. You enter. So the name of this particular compound is methanol. If you want to get the formula, the structural or molecular formula, this is a structural from the molecular or molecular formula, you can just carry one carbon. Say you get one carbon, get 3 hydrogen atom, H3, and then carry this OH attached to them. You don't get the molecular formula. They get the point now. But this particular methanol, e dey okay to drink or e no dey okay to drink? E no dey okay to drink. No try to drink am. This particular thing, methanol, dey very toxic. E dey very dangerous to humans. So you no go need to think am. Even if na small quantity like 10 to 15 ml, na I say make you even take sef. E fit kpai you. I no go lie give you. Na so e dey very toxic. If you go damage, if you no kpai you, e fit damage your liver. If you no damage your liver, e fit just go create one health issue for your body. To tell you say you need to avoid am. Even the body dey metabolize this methanol into wetin they call formaldehyde or wetin they call formic acid, which is very, very poisonous. Very poisonous. So you just imagine you come dey take that kind of thing inside your body. You no need to try am. I don finish with that one. You dey enjoy the class. If you dey enjoy am, make you like this video, share am now. Na organic chemistry I dey teach you. So now, we could go for the second one. 1, 2. 2 na earth. I don show you for that monkey eats peanut butter, but eat na earth, from earth. Earth. And before these 2 carbon atom. Now, you go carry this particular suffix add because na alcohol functional group, as I see this OH. If there's something else wey dey, I for know say no be alcohol, but as I see OH, I know say na alcohol, and the suffix wey go add to am na anol. Come make them to be ethanol. Ethanol, if you wan get this, the molecular formula, na be this 2 carbon atom, C2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 5 hydrogen atom, and then OH attached to am. So na be the molecular formula of this particular ethanol wey get this structure. Now if they ask you, this one dey safe to do. This one na be the ogogoro wey you drink now. This ethanol na they take carry put inside that wine wey they drink, or that beer wey they drink, or that spirit wey they drink. But you need to drink am in small quantity, in small amount, because if you drink am in much amounts, e fit lead to drunkenness. Apart from drunkenness wey e fit lead, e fit still cause some kind issue for your body. Na why you need to drink in moderate side, if at all you wan drink am. Na him dey carry produce those ones. Sometimes na him dey carry produce this, e go dey inside this hand sanitizer wey dey pour for hand, all those kind of stuff. So for this particular one, they use them for this industrial solvent and the rest of those kind of stuff. Very, very poisonous. So now be the structural formula for this particular guy. The name of this particular structure now be ethanol. Ethanol na dey safe to drink. I just believe say with this few points of mine, you sef you don learn from this particular video. You don sabi how to name. You don't know the health benefit, the real life application of this, the health benefit of this thing. I talk about health benefit. Wait if it cost to your body if you gauge in this one or this one. I don't tell you. Okay, I don't tell you how to name them too, and also the structure. So you now, what you need to do now, so I don't tell you all this now. For you to like this particular video, if you want to join my free Telegram channel, you check the comment section, I will add this stuff there so that you will join to the learn for free. Make it try like this video and share and make other students like you follow learn from this particular. If you know share them, that means you know help, you know support me. Share them and like this video. Drop comments if you enjoy them. Yeah, don't come out to go bring another thing I will teach you. Peace and love.